Hello and welcome to part 2 of the setting up Windows XP tutorial. And now what we are going to do is we are going to set up Windows XP using activate Windows XP really using a phone call method. So I have my phone casted here so that it's easier for you to see. Unfortunately, at the time of the making of this video, it isn't possible for me to actually cast the sound, which is kind of annoying, but I might find some other software or something else. And by the way, this is not sponsored in any way. So on the Windows XP desktop, to activate it, like you might have seen in the last video, what you do is you click on Start menu, then you click on All Programs, and at the very top it should say Activate Windows. So you click on that, and it should come up with this. It says, let's activate Windows. So we could do it activating over the internet, but the problem with that is the servers are down most likely since around 2014. So there's really no point of doing that. So what we have to do is we need to telephone a customer service representative to activate Windows. Well, you might be thinking though, like, will there really be anyone who is taking care of this anymore? Well, really, it's actually a robot who's like a robot-like person who's doing it. So, um, so it's still online. Thank goodness for that. So what we can do is once you selected this, you can just click next, and it's generating a new installation ID. And now what we need to do is step 1, we need to select our location because then it will give us the phone number depending on our location. So since I'm in Australia, I'm going to select Australia, and then you need to call it using the toll-free number. And you won't be able to hear her, but basically what she will say, I think it's a she, but basically what the person will say is they'll ask for um, like section 1, section 2, and you'll have to enter that in the keypad. So like I said, as you can see down here, it says 30 days left for activation. So like I said, it's no, I lost my track there. Okay, anyway, you can just see me entering it on the keypad there, but you can just do that. And I think it's going to use the product key to see if it's actually activated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my phone, as you can see on here. I already have the keypad ready, so you can see on here. And I'm going to call the toll-free number that it says on here. So in my case, it's 1-800 6, and I already called them before for activating my professional edition before, so I'm just going to click that to save a bit of time and call.
Welcome to Microsoft Product Activation Center. To help us improve the quality of our products, services, and training, this call may be recorded or monitored.
So I don't know if you can hear that, but it is just saying that it's going to be monitored by Microsoft.
Subsidiaries and service providers
You'll need the
internationally.
keypad, by the way.
If you do not consent to having your call recorded or monitored, please hang up.
So if you don't consent, I wouldn't think they're even going to read the recording, so it won't really matter.
Service options. To activate Windows, press 1.
Okay, so we want to activate Windows, so we're going to press 1.
If you're trying to activate Windows 10, press 1. Otherwise, press 2.
So we're not trying to activate Windows 10, so we need to press 2. So it said if you're activating Windows 10, then we need to press 1, but so we need to press 2.
At your computer with the activation screen open, press 1.
So because we're at our computer with the activation screen open, we need to press 1, like so.
Okay, now take a look at your screen. I'll ask you to tell me the installation.
So now it's asking me to tell her the installation ID for the first sector now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter it on the keypad.
Please enter the digits in group 1.
So it says enter the digits in group 1. So as you can see, hopefully I get it right. So now it's going to ask me for group 2, hopefully.
Great.
Okay.
Now enter the digits in group 2.
So now she said to enter the digits in group 2. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now your one will differ, so just enter the one that you have.
Next, enter the digits in group 3.
And we need to do this so on and so forth. So, and then group 4.
Okay, now enter the digits in group 4.
Like that.
All right, next, enter the digits in group 5.
Now group 5.
Okay, now enter group 6.
Now we need to enter group 6, which is the one where my mouse pointer is underneath.
All right, next, enter the digits in group 7.
We just need to do the exact same thing.
Okay, now enter group 8.
Now we need to enter group 8, which is the second last one. Oh, I almost entered the wrong one there.
All right, and
This is
finally,
the last one. And at the end, if you want, you can check it again, but I will not do that to save time. Hopefully I didn't make a mistake. But if you want, you can just make sure, which is what I did when I didn't record it before.
thanks. One moment, please, while I look that up.
So now what she's doing is she's looking it up, and then she's going to tell us the
Yeah,
confirmation
read
ID.
the confirmation ID. You'll need to use your keyboard to enter it in the empty block.
So now we need to enter it in block A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
As I read each 6-digit group, I'll say which block it goes in. Now, use your mouse and position your cursor in block A.
Block A now.
Once I've read the entire confirmation ID back, you'll have the chance to hear it again.
So we can hear it again at the end if we want. So if you're ready to get started, press 1. So what is what I'm going to do.
Block A is 1, 4, 6, 9, 5, 3.
So that's block A.
Block B is
Block B.
8, 0, 7, 2, 3, 1.
C now. It's a long one. Just waiting for her. Yep.
0, 9, 1, 9, 4, 6.
Okay, now D.
Block D is 9, 0, 9, 2, 0, 1.
Now E. Just wait for her to start. Just
Block
wait.
E is
Okay, E.
8,
8,
0,
0,
9,
9,
1,
1,
5,
5,
3.
3. Okay. Now F, which is the second last one.
F is 2,
2,
5,
5,
3,
3,
9,
9,
3,
3,
1.
1. And now the final block. Hopefully I didn't get any of these wrong, otherwise I'll have to redo it.
8, 4, 1, 7, 6, 2.
Okay, that's
To
it.
repeat that final block, press 1.
So
Finished. Press 2.
now, because I don't want to waste your time, I'm just going to press 2, and hopefully I didn't get anything wrong. So I press 2.
All right. Now, please take a moment to write down that confirmation ID.
So she's saying to write it down, which I did for the professional one, but it takes a bit long, so I won't do it. So
If you need more time, press star. Otherwise, when you're ready, click on the next button. If
So-
there's an error message on your screen,
I'm going to
press
click next, and hopefully it'll work.
Press 2.
Hopefully.
Hear the confirmation ID again.
Okay, it worked. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the call. And okay, so that's it. So we have finished working. We have finished activating Windows. Okay, and you can see that little icon's down there gone. Okay, well, I already did it. I don't know how to see the activation status on here. Just gonna quickly see if that is even possible. Okay, I just found a way. Hopefully it'll work. So what I'm gonna do is click Start and All Programs. And then it says, okay, so there's no more activate Windows, which should be good enough, right? I'm just gonna keep going though. Accessories, and then System Tools, wherever that is. Yes, over here. And then system information here. Think I could have just gone that through MS Info 32, but yeah. Yeah, I could have gone through that, but um, and then what I can do, I don't know what to do. Uh, okay, it should say it in here somewhere. Um, Activation status. Just skip this part. I don't know why I'm doing this. um, Oh, you know what? Okay, I'm just gonna you. Sorry for wasting your time. I just believe that it just doesn't have this anymore. So I guess that is Windows XP activated through mobile. So kind of exciting for me actually. So pretty interesting as well. I thought that I thought that wouldn't even work actually. So once again, that's activating Windows XP Home Edition through mobile phone using a literal keypad and everything. So thank you for watching and hope and if you are following along, in case you didn't understand how I got this set up in VMware, you can watch part 1 of this video where I actually install XP and set up VMware tools as well. So again, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.